Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help fix your backup camera. First, let's start by checking the camera lens for any dirt or obstructions that might be blocking the view. Then, we'll quickly review your vehicle's display settings to ensure everything is configured correctly. Finally, we'll try a simple system reset, which often resolves minor electronic glitches. Now, let's get a bit more hands-on. Carefully check that your backup camera is securely mounted and all its connections are snug. Take a close look for any visible damage to the camera unit itself, like cracks or loose parts. A good cleaning of the lens with a soft, damp cloth can also work wonders, removing any stubborn grime. Next, we'll delve into some electrical and software aspects. It's a good idea to verify the fuse associated with your backup camera system. A blown fuse is a common culprit. Also, inspect the wiring connections for any signs of looseness or corrosion. Don't forget to try restarting your vehicle's entire infotainment system, as this can often refresh the camera's functionality. If you've tried all these steps and your backup camera is still not working, it might be time to consult a professional technician. They have specialized diagnostic tools and expertise to identify more complex electrical or internal camera issues. Sometimes, the problem requires specific equipment or a deeper understanding of the vehicle's systems for a proper repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.